However, I'm going to start the today's lesson here. Last week we discussed about Google Forms, creating evaluation sheets through the Google Form. That finally I gave assignment also. Some of you submitted the assignment also. Here I am remind again the last date, the 15th June. Before that, submit the other students also, right? Then today also we are going to learning another tool that's also possible to creating interactive activities through the Google Forms. Actually, we can create only evaluation sheet or data collecting information. That is interactive. But there are more other tools having in the internet we can use to create more interactive activities. Right. That after learning this tool here, you will create more attractive and shareable interactive activities through this tool. Right. Then I'm going to show you how to use this tool here. It is freely available. The actually part is freely available. Then there are some facilities having in this website. If you want, you can go these facilities also. However, these are premium. But there are more facilities available freely here. Then I am going to show these facilities, how you can use these free facilities with this tool. Right. The name here, the name of this tool is Genial, genial.li, the website name. It's provide you to make different types of activities. Right? It may be a presentation or infographics, then gamification. Like that, there are many type of activities you can create through this important tool. Right. That first we'll see here how to log in for this website with this website. To do that, I'm going to share the screen. Right. That first you can open the Google search bar. Then here type the word Genial. Right. Then press enter key or click the search button. Once you click the search button, then you will appear the list link. There are many links here. Here, select the genial.ly. This is the website, genial.ly. This is the link you want to click. Genially, the tool for creating interactive content. Tool for creating interactive content. Click here. Once you click here, then your screen look like that. Right. That first thing is you want to log in. That I already logged with the system here. Therefore, you can't see the login button here. But in your case, when you are doing the first time here, the first thing is you want to sign up. Right? That I think no need to show the sign up steps. Only the thing is you want to give your Gmail number, Gmail address. Once you give in the Gmail address, then automatically you can sign up with the system. Once you sign up, then using your Gmail address, then you can log in with the system. After you log in the Genial website, then this is the screen. This is the first screen, your Genial website. Right here, the title given as a creating interactive content is, right? The title says that the tool is specially designed for creating the interactive tools. Right. The first thing you want to click from this screen is go to the right corner, top corner, right top corner. Here there is an option called go to My Panel. Click here, go to My Panel. Right. Then it will open the Genial dashboard. Right. Here, I think you can, all of you can see the screen here. This is called the Genial dashboard. Genial dashboard. Right. That first try to identify what are the activity types, interactive activity types you can create with this tool here. To see all these type of activities, the first thing you can create, you can click on this option. Left upper corner, there is the option called Create Genially. Once you create this option, then you will see all the possible type of activities you can create with this tool. Once you create one activity, then all the activities you can list out in the screen here. Here, I think you can see some colorful tiles. These colorful tiles says these are the some already created activities. Right? Already created activities. Right. That if you are a newcomer, if you are going to create a new activity, then click on the Create Genially here. Create this option. Right. Once you create this option there, then you can see all the activities you can make through this Genial. Right. Then look at the different type of activities here. You can make presentations. Right. Here, this is a very different and attractive type of presentation you can create through this option. Normally, PowerPoint is there. PowerPoint is separate only for your computer. Once you install the PowerPoint available on your on your computer, and it is not shareable. Once you create a PowerPoint presentation with the PowerPoint, it for you only. Right? It is not possible to share with others. But once you create the presentation, the tool like this, then particular presentation is shareable. You can share with the others. And then later I will show how to create the presentation using this tool. Then infographics, another important tool, especially it will need when you are presenting your some details for the audience, like presentations, but infographics giving separate kind of things. Information, especially if you want to present your information, right? For example, suppose you want to give yourself for the audience, then in that case, there are many photos and information, collected photos and information with you. Then you can organize this your information and photos very well through this infographics tool. Right? Then gamification, then you can create interactive activities, evaluation activities through the gamification. Then interactive image, another important tool here, interactive image, or you can say clickable images. Then if you have an image, then you can make that image as a clickable. Some middle areas you can click. Right? Then I will show later again, especially to create the teaching learning aids. Right? It is very important. Right, like that. Then video presentation, guide, training material, like that. There are many more facilities available with this tool that later, after you creating your sign up, your login account, then go to the Genial and see these more options also. Right, here today I am concentrate to create. Yes, I am going to teach you how to use the infographic tool here. Then presentation, and also gamification and interactive images. Right, try to do these four through this tool. How to create the interactive activities through these tools. Right, that first I'm going to concentrate on infographics. Right. Then the first you want to select your selective activity type. Here this time I am selecting infographics. Click on here. Right. Once you click the infographics here, then the formatted template. There are many number of formatted templates are there. Right. Then you can select one of the template according to your application. Right. That here I am scrolling very speedily. Then you can get idea about the how many type of templates there. Right. According to your subject or your project, you can select the required template type here. Right. However, all of this template you can't use for you with yourself. Only you can use the mention that labeling as new. Right. These are the new, and there are some template the labeling as premium. Right. Look at the this template here. This is labeling as in yellow color premium. This one you can't use. If you want to this template, use this template, then you want to buy it. You want to purchase it. Otherwise, you can't use it. Like that, there are some other templates also. This one also premium. Right? If you are seeing as premium, that means you can't use this template here. Otherwise, you can use it. Then suppose, for example, you are going to presenting the information like suppose history of computers. Then I am going to select a suitable template type. It's like a timeline. Therefore, I am going to select a template in this template here. Through this one, easily I can arrange a timeline. Therefore, I am going to select this one. Click on here. Right. Once you click on here, then it will start to open. The first, it will show a preview. After you creating your infographics, then it will appear like that. Right. This is the format, final format of your template. Right. In this template having 2 pages, you can move the second page by clicking the arrow here. Right. But your application, it may not be include all of this information. Therefore, you can remove the unnecessary one and stay the necessary things. Right. Then also you can do some formatting from here also. Before use this template, you can set some background colors through these options. This is the default one. Then if you want to use another background color, you can select this one like that. Right. Suppose for this example, I am going to select this one here. Right. Once you click this one, then it will change the background of this template. After that, you have to select this option here, use this template. Then only you can change. You can use this timeline infographics. Right. Then I am going to click here. Right. Then it will ask which slides you want to get your project. Sometimes you want to select all. In that case, you can check this option here. However, according to your application, you can select the required slide only. In this case, I am going to select the first one only here. Therefore, I am going to select, click for this small square here. I am not going to select the other one. Right. If you are having a long project, then you want to, it is okay to select the other one also. Or later you can add the slide. Right. If you want to add more slide, then there is option later. You can add the slide according to your application there. Right. Then initially you can, I'm selecting this first one and click the add button there. Right. Then lower corner, right corner, there's the button add. I'm going to click here, add. Right, then you have to wait some times. It is opening. Still opening. This website is somewhat delayed. That depend on the internet speed. However, in this time it is open very quickly. This is the place where you are going to design based on your application. Right. Then, for example, suppose I'm not going to do the complete one. It's not time to do the complete things. Only I am going to show it how to change some applications. That mean to for example, suppose I am going to create the presentation or infographic to represent the computer history. Right. Therefore, then first I want to give in a title for that. Right. That default title is timeline infographic. Above that, there's a small title also there. Don't read these words. That's something, some different language. First, select, click on the small title. Once you click the small title there, your appearance is look like that. There are some additional options you can appear above the title. Right? There are some additional options here. Right? If you are not selected, these additional options not seen there. But if you select this title here, once you click only, then some additional options you can see. Right. Then I am going to change the title. Suppose Introduction to Computers. Introduction to Computers. That's my topic. Then the main topic is history. And the Introduction to Computers, I want to create a presentation or infographics regarding the computer history. Therefore, this main title, I am removing the existing one and trying to give in my own title. Computer history. Right. Then I am going to change the other details also. Here 1990 available in this format. Instead this 1990, I am going to put 1940. 1940 to 1956. That's the first generation period. Computer history 1940 to 1956. That is called first generation. Then if you want, you can give a title here, first generation. First generation. Like that, a small title you can give under this period here. Right. Then you can add a picture. Right? Then try to add a picture here. Then first you want to click on the picture. Once you click on the picture, then some small options available above the picture here. Then look at the pictures, replace. Then this one, animation. You can put animation for this picture here. This one, interactivity. This is the place where you are going to set some interactive features for this picture. Interactive features. Then turn, drag in view mode. Then lock. In that way, there are some additional options you can see about the picture. These additional options you can see only once you select the picture. Once you unselect it, these additional options are disappear. Right? Then again, look at the here. If you want to get these additional options, then please click on the picture. Then only you can see these additional options. Right. Now I am going to change the picture. Right. This the existing picture is not relevant with our topic. I need a picture to insert that relate with the first generation. Right? Therefore, before you insert in a picture, then you want to download the picture and keep it in your folders. And if you're not, then you can download the picture regarding the first generation, then keep it in your computer in separate folder. Right. Suppose I assume that I have a picture in a separate folder, then I am going to insert it here. Right. To do that, click replace. The option here, replace. Right. Click replace here. I'm going to click on. Once you click replace, then you can appear a small box, replace box. Here there are some options. You can insert pictures through your computer as a URL, resource image, then My Brand, Google Drive, Dropbox, like that. There are some options available. In this case, I'm going to insert a picture through my computer. Therefore, I'm going to select your computer. Right. Once you click your computer, then you can appear another small box inside. Drag your image here or click to look in your computer. Right. Then there are two ways, either dragging the picture to here or you can just click on the box here. You can insert pictures here up to 5 MB maximum size. Right. Now I am going to click here. Once you click this box, it will appear the open dialog box. From this open dialog box, you can select your, first locate your folder, then you can select the picture. Here I am having some pictures regarding first generation. Then suppose this is the picture I want to insert. Select the picture and click open. Right. Then it will insert in the picture for this device here. You have to wait until opening the picture. Now it is okay. Your picture is there now. Click on the picture again. Click on the picture again and select replace button here. Replace button here. Click on replace button. Right. Once you click replace, now you can see here the picture is inserting with your slide. Right. That's the way how you can insert in picture. Right. Then I am going to do some interactive activities with this picture. Interactive activity. That means the users, suppose click on this picture. Using the mouse, the users are able to click. Once you click on this picture, then it will show more details. Once you click, users, once click the picture here, it will show more details. That's the interactive activity. Right? That's about the first generation picture. Once users click on this picture, then it will appear more details about the first generation computer. As an example. Right. This is the way how you can add the interactive activity. All right. Here in the options that earlier I selected replace, then animation. This is the third one, interactivity. Now I am going to click on this option here, interactivity. Once you click this interactivity, then it will show another box. Then there are 4 options. Tooltip, window, go to page, link, like that. Right. Here I am going to select the window. If you want to, later we'll see the differences. In this case, I am going to select the window here. Once you click window, then it will display a editor. Please mute your mics. That no need to T for this time for me, right? Right. Okay. This is the window. Here the place where you are creating your activity here. Right, then you can add some text or pictures regarding the first generation computers. Right, I'm not going to give in the actual statements, then only fake statement I am giving. You can add more details regarding first generation as a text, right? Then once you add the text, then you can format this text by selecting all the text at once. Then you can change the font size. Then if you want, you can bold or you can italic, then underline options there. Right, in that way, you can format the text. Right, then regarding first generation, if you like, you can insert a link also. Link. Once you get this infographics for your users, then they can click on the link and they can get the more details. Right. I am going to insert a link. How you are going to insert a link here? By clicking the option here, insert link. Click on here. Once you click insert there, then they are asking the URL and the text. Then see how you can get the URL. It should be regarding the first generation of computers. Then go to the Google search. Go to the Google search. Then type first generation computers. First generation computers. Right. Then suppose this link you want to insert this tutorialpoint.com. This is the link you want to insert there. Right. Then click on here. Here the URL mean the text appears in the address bar here. Right. Then I think you can see this URL here. They start with HTTPS. This is the URL. Now you can copy this URL. So select the URL, then right click and copy. Copy the URL, then back to your Genial environment. Right, now in the place URL, paste it. Paste the URL. Now paste the URL here. Then the box below, type a text. Right. Then more about first generation computers. First generation, more about first generation. Once you finish entering the URL and the text, then click insert button. Click insert button here. Right, now you can see in the editor more about first generation. Once get this to the user appear this as a link. User will be able to click on it. Once you click on it, it will open the first generation computer, that particular website open. Right, then if you want to insert a picture, then image icon there, insert image, click on the image icon, then click on drop image here. Again, it will open the folder. From the folder, I am going to select this one and click open. Then it will load in your picture to your editor. Right, now it will finish opening the insert in the picture there also. Now click save button. After you doing all the settings here, then you can save it. In your case, please, when you are creating these things, please create it attractively, right? Use colors, use more images, right? Then put meaningful text words, right? In that way, if your case, try to create in meaningful manner, right? This is only example, therefore I am creating in that's a fake manner here. Right, then after that, save, click on the save button. Right, once you click save button, then what happened? Then again back to the infographics first slide environment here. Then another change here. Look at this plus button, plus mark here. That's also another providing information symbol. Once you click this plus mark, the user will get some more detail about first generation also. Right. If you want to do something with this plus mark also, click on here. Then again, that set of options appear above the plus mark. Then you can do this interactivity animation. These options you can apply for this plus mark also. Right. I am not explaining it again. Later, when you are creating these things, please try with this plus mark here also. Then if you no need all of these pictures or all of these things in the timeline, then select and delete it. Right? Keep only the necessary things. Right, then before you share in this infographic with your user, you can test it. How you are going to test it? By clicking the preview button here. Here you have a preview button, click on the preview. Right. This is the preview how your users will see your infographics there. Right. Only the things I am change here, this first generation, this first option here. Now click on the picture, this small picture here. Click on here. Once you click on here, then what happened? All the things that earlier I modified with this picture can appear now. This is come there. Then this link also more about the first generation. And there is a picture regarding the first generation there also. Right. Then once you click this small plus button, it also provides some information. Right. Earlier, I am not changing the default text. That's why this default text there. If you want, you can change these options also. Right. Then we'll see how you can change this option also. Then back to the infographic environment, then click on the plus mark. Then again, you can appear this small set of options, replace, animation, interactivity. Click on the interactivity. These are the existing text. Then I am removing the existing one and putting some on text. Right, in that way. Right, now after you put in your on text, then click save button. Now go to the preview option. Now click on the small plus mark. Now you can appear your own description here. Right. Once you create in this infographic here, the next thing is you want to share with your students. How you are going to share with your student is creating a link. You want to create a link for that. How you are going to create the link is, now see how you can create the link. Click on the all set button that appear the right top corner, all set. In there is a small information box there. Do not try to change anything from here. Keep the default one and click on the all set button again. Right. After that, there's a confirmation message, congratulations, like that. From this message, click share. You want to get the link, therefore click on the share. If you are going to present the same time, then you can select the present. If you want to share with your student, then click on the share button here. Once you click share, then you can appear the link here. Click on the copy. Once you click copy, then you can paste your option with your student, with your WhatsApp group or any other place. Right now, I am going to share here in the chat box. Yes, in the chat box, you can see the link. Click on the link here. after you click the link, then you can see whatever the infographics I am created here, and also you can interactive. You can click on the images, then you can learn more regarding the computer history. Right, try to do that. Click on the link. Okay, what happened in your case? Open the infographics, open it. Is it open? Oh, then what happened? Give feedback, some feedback regarding this link. Then what about in your case? Then give some feedback. Is it okay? Then
Yes,
what
sir,
happened?
it's appearing.
Right, okay.
It is okay, so it is opening.
Opening now. Right. Once you click your link, your screen look like that, right? If you click on your picture, then what happened once you click on the picture, then your description is there. Like that, you can create lessons, right? By using this infographic, student will be able to learn. Right. Then later you can complete this type of things using infographic based on your subject. You can try to do these types of things here. Right. Then I am expecting you completing this type of infographics and share the link with me, right? Based on this subject, computer history, right? Try to complete the rest of the ages, generations, then try to share the link with me. Right? Not assignment, but I'm expecting this type of things also. Right. That's about infographics. We have more time, therefore I am moving to another interactive activity. Before that, I'm going to share another link. That's actually a type of flashcard. I think all of you know what is flashcard. It is very important teaching aid, teaching learning aid. That Genial allows you to create attractive flashcard also. That first I'm going to share with you already created one. Then you will get the idea about how what is flashcard and how attractive it is. Then wait until I am sharing the link. Right, wait until I am sharing it. Still opening the link. I still opening that here. That depend on the internet speed. Actually, the website is normally somewhat delayed because more contents available with this type of websites. They are giving more information. At the same time, many people are trying to access the website also, this type of websites, the worldwide. That is why normally it's somewhat delayed. Right, until opening the page, that I am back to the Genial environment again. Here having with the internet case also, that's why delaying opening the environment here. Wait until opening, right? It will open. Right, here having some problem. Still not open, still opening. I think if you are having good internet connection, then it will open in few within 1 minute time. It will open actually. Here having some options, having some problem with my internet connection. That's why not opening. Right, I think now it is open. Here I am going to share this link with you. Then try to complete this activity on yourself. It will take only 5 minutes to complete this activity. Try to complete this activity with yourself. Click on the link that I am passed 2 times the link here. Right. Click on the link, go to the chat box. Go to the chat box and click on the link just now I shared with you. Once you click on the link, then it will open the activity. Right? I also click on the link here. Then your activity start like that. Right? All of you can see how to start this activity in my screen also. Try to do with your screen. Right? Then click start button. Click on the start button. Click on the start button. Then it will display the questions. Right. Within 5 minutes, I will give 5 minutes. Try to complete that one. Once you complete, please send a message. Yes, so complete. At the same time, I also trying to do in this activity. Click on the start button here. Right. That's like a flashcard. Right. They are asking the device. What is the device appear in the picture? That's the input device. Can someone tell me what's the device here? Is it a mouse, keyboard, or printer? Can someone tell me, is it mouse?
Keyboard, sir.
Keyboard. Therefore, click on the keyboard here. Right. If it is correct, then you will find this symbol here with the music. Then click on the next. Right. Then what's the device here? It's also an input device.
Barcode reader, sir.
Barcode reader. Click on here. Yes. Next one, click on the next. This one.
Hard disk.
Hard disk. This one.
SD card.
SD card. SD card. Processing device. What's this?
Control unit.
No.
CPU.
CPU. Actually, this one is a CPU. The CPU consists of ALU and control unit. Right? Inside the CPU, it will find ALU and control unit. This unit is CPU. This one is output device.
Laser printer.
Laser printer. Laser printer. This one.
Optical mark.
Optical mark reader.
Mark reader. Optical mark reader. Computer hardware. Which unit? System unit. System unit.
Headphones.
Yes, headphone.
Pen drive.
Right. Finally, you will get the message like that. Congratulations. Then if you want to do it again, you can click here. Try again. Right. If you want to do it again, then it will start from the beginning. Right. Then we'll see how you can create such type of activity. This is the link. I'm going to close this link here. Then back again to the Genial environment. Right, then go to the dashboard by clicking the icon here, left top corner, go to panel icon. This is the icon you want to click. Right. Once you click on this icon, then you will go to your panel or your dashboard. From this dashboard, create Genially. This is the option you want to create. Once you click this option, then you will appear all the type of interactive activities. That earlier we selected this infographics. This time we are going to create the interactive quiz. Therefore, the suitable option is gamification. Right? Then later, in your case, click presentations and other things. Then try to learn yourself how can create this presentation, how to create this interactive images. I will teach you in next time. This one is very important. Interactive images. That part I will explain next time. Now I am going to explain this one, gamification. Right. To create the simple quiz, click on here, gamification. Right. Once you click there in the gamification, then gamification templates available. Right. Then you can select that very similar to that earlier one. Don't try to select this premium templates. That's in the yellow color star. It will indicate as the premium. They are not giving chance, opportunity to open this one. For this example, I am going to select the Flash Flipkart quiz. This is the one that we are played with you. This is the template. Just now we played with you. The same one I am going to select here. Flipkart quiz. Select Flipkart quiz. Once you click there, then it will appear a small box. Right. Then right, okay, again back to the class. Here I am having some internet problem. That's why disconnecting the Zoom session. Again, I am going to share the lesson here. Right, from this templates, set of some templates, I am going to select the Flipkart quiz. This one I want to select. Flipkart quiz still opening. It's still not opening. But, I think this time it will okay. Click on the Flipkart quiz. At this time it is okay. Once you click that Flipkart template, your preview is look like that. Right? Before creating your quiz, you can check it by clicking the start button here. You can test your template. Then after that, if you are satisfied with the template here, then you can select use this template. That's option. Click on the option here, use this template. Use this template. In this template, having more slides. I think more than 15. We completed 10 questions. They are having more than 15 slides. Then you want to select all of these slides, and after that, click add button. Then your screen appear like that. Here in the left side, you can appear all the slides. These slides are already designed. That's the template, but you can change it. First, I'm going to change the title here. Instead of Flipkart quiz, that I'm going to remain this title here. I'm not going to change it, but in the small title here, I am going to small title as computer hardware. Computer hardware. Right, like that. You can change your titles according to your subject. I'm not going to change any other things that start these other pictures. If you want, you can change it. If you are having more clear, more attractive pictures, then you can insert pictures and other things for this slide also. Right. Here I am not going to change any other things. Then I am moving to the next slide. Right. Next slide here. There's a picture. First, I am going to change the picture. I am going to remove the existing one and trying to apply a new one. Therefore, first select it. Once you select that, small options available above the picture, replace, animation, interactivity like that. I am going to replace an image. Therefore, select this replace option. Right. Then I am going to upload a picture from my computer. Therefore, select your computer. Then click on drag your image. Right. Now I am going to insert a picture from here. Right. I am going to insert this one, system unit, and open button. Right. It is inserting. Right now it is okay. Select the picture. Select the picture and click replace button. Right now you can see here replace the new picture with the existing one. Right. After you insert in the picture, then you can do other formattings. In this title, you can change as input device. Input device. Then also you can change the answers for the wrong answers. I am giving wrong answers for this option, CPU. Then right answer. Here, right answer, system unit. Then third one, again a wrong answer. I am giving another answer there as a RAM. Right. Also, you can do some other small changes. If you are clicking that if your users are clicking this plus option, then it will give some more information regarding this question. Right. If you want, you can apply some small description by clicking the small plus. Then again, the small buttons appear through the interactivity. You can put some description here. That I am inserting fake ones. In your case, try to add some meaningful statements. After you add in the statement, click save button here. Right. Okay. That's the things I am inserting. I am changing for the first question. Then if it is correct, your users select the correct one, it will appear this one, this slide. This slide also you can change. If you do not want to this statement, select and delete it. Then you can enlarge your right icon like that. Then the third one, second question. Right? The similar steps you can follow to change the picture and other things. I am not going to show it again. In your case, try to change the second options also. Right, okay. After you creating this flip question, then you can share it. That already I show how to share this one. However, again, I am going to show it. After you creating this one, click all set button that appear right top corner. Right? After you creating your activity, then click on the all set that appear right top corner. Then there is a box there. Don't try to change anything inside this box. Keep the default one as it is. Then click all set again. That appear down corner. Click on the all set. After that, there is a box. That confirmation message there. Congratulations, like that. Then click on the share. Click on the share button here. Then there is a box. From this box, select the copy the link. And this is the link you want to copy. Copy the link, and now you can share or paste this link with your students. Right, okay. That's the way of creating a quiz or use of gamification option in the Genius. Right, okay, that's the end of our lesson for today. I am expecting from you infographics and the quiz. 2 links. I need the 2 links, one for infographics and one for this type of questions, quiz. Right, before we meet the next class, then try to send in these links for me also. Right? Is it clear? Is there any question or unclear then you can ask me now. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I'm expecting that earlier I mentioned that 2 links from you, one for the infographics and the one for this type of quiz. Right, it's not assignment, only for your practicing. Right, okay, now I am going to stop the lesson here for today. Thank you very much for the participation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome to all.